In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up high-level and low-level boards in Monday.com. We're going to walk through a simple workflow that lets you see detailed task progress from a low-level board right inside a more strategic, high-level board. This is really useful if you want a clean overview for managers or stakeholders, while your team continues to work in a more detailed space. First, make sure you have both boards created, one that will serve as your high-level board and another that contains the detailed, low-level tasks. Once those are ready, start by opening your high-level board. This is where we'll create the connection. At the top of your board, in the column header area, click the plus icon to add a new column. From the list of options, look for and select Connect Boards. This special column type is what allows two different boards to talk to each other. When the Connect Boards window opens, you'll see a list of your existing boards. Find and select your low-level board, then click the button to connect the boards. Before you confirm, make sure to turn on the option that says Create a two-way connection. This is important because it allows updates and links to work in both directions, so your high-level and low-level boards stay in sync. Once that toggle is on, click to confirm and finish connecting the boards. Right after you connect them, Monday.com will prompt you to add a mirror column. Go ahead and click Add a Mirror Column. A mirror column lets you display information from your low-level board directly on the high-level board without duplicating anything. In the next step, choose which data you want to mirror. In this case, select the status column from your low-level board. This means that whenever the status of a task changes on the low-level board, you'll instantly see that reflected on the high-level board. Now that the boards are linked and the mirror is set up, let's connect individual items. On your high-level board, look for the new Connect Boards column we just created. Click into a cell in that column for the item you want to associate with detailed tasks. A list from your low-level board will appear. Simply select the corresponding tasks from that list. You can link one or multiple tasks depending on how your work is structured. Once those items are connected, your high-level board will automatically display the mirrored status information, giving you a clear, real-time overview of progress without ever leaving that high-level view.